I'm even shaking. Why? What is wrong? Yes, you people should come out. What is wrong?
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
You go to school for 4 years, you do your mandatory national service for 1 year, making 5 years. You wait for a year just to be posted, making 6 years and to nothing. And to nothing. And I'm really wondering that those of us who wrote our licensure exams in the year 2024, that is supposed to be expelled this year, what are we supposed to do? People are dying because of this recruitment. Somebody lost her life because of this recruitment. Somebody's mom died because of this recruitment. 2023, why? 2019, boy. After school, even for us to even get national service to be posted, boy. I'm even shaking. Why? What is wrong? Yes, you people should come out. What is wrong? Wrong. Because if somebody posted all the nyoma, while posting it be mamo, not for to create name, and you can't tell the person say, I didn't man go through. What is wrong? What is wrong? Is it a crime? Is it a crime to even go to school? Is it a crime here in Ghana? We are in this country where people are preaching about integrity, about truthfulness. What is the integrity that people have? We have some people that their motto is integrity. What is the integrity? When you are receiving bribes just to be recruited, what is the integrity? What then? The integrity, even for like license examination, you people took money. We paid for it. We had to, in my time, we had to go to different colleges, different universities just to write this licensure exams. May I write mine at that also? Amasaman, and this to nothing because somebody has paid 20,000, somebody has paid 15,000. So the person is worth it than me. No problem. Like this. Or bounce school say the boy. I just want to know why. Aden. With this kind of disappointment. Aden. I remember when we were applying for this. People couldn't sleep. People couldn't sleep throughout the night because they had wanted to apply. Those of the other people who were able to enter into the portal later on some for pay 4,000. And this is it. This is just it. This is just it. This is just it. Minus, genius, you people should come out and say the written one. Like with that unsuccessful aim, come and say it, okay? Just come and say it. I dare you. Because Ghana, everything is about protocol. We are in this country where people are preaching about integrity. about truthfulness. What is the integrity that people have? We have some people that their motto is integrity. What is the integrity? When you are receiving bribes just to be recruited, what is the integrity? Then, what is the integrity? Even for like license examination, you people took money. We paid for it. We had to, in my time, we had to go to different colleges, different universities just to write this licensure exams. May I write mine at 10 or so? I'm Amasted. And this to nothing. Because somebody has paid 20,000, somebody has paid 15,000. So the person is worth it than me. No problem.
Edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ ke unim se atentehu ta woto na wuhwiri treasure unim se atentehu eta woto na wuhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ ke onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wunnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me sreba wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wo nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonte ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misese wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonte on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshona baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ujene down. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke yensem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go on and no women say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country that was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on the funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Regr3t drama ni ma so o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. And the Regr3t drama ni mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia and na gafo say okay ne beto ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Say dear ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about council of state member voter region. Now me say fiams hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or